this is a video trying to prove that Call of Duty servers are down only for me. Look, not type open, all services are available. I'm not going to end this video. I'll keep like, I don't know how you want me to prove about it. Alright, and then I'm going to Call of Duty. I'm getting it right now. Yeah, I'm getting it right now. Don't worry, I'm getting the proof. Alright, so Call of Duty loading up, obviously. Let's go. Blah, blah, blah. Multiplayer. I got on. This has been happening for the last hour. Xbox Live. Connecting to Xbox Live. And the Call of Duty Advanced is not. It was time. I've been getting this for the last hour. Alright. The match ID is. I'll try it again just to prove it. See, it does not work. Alright, bye.